Hey there, Windows 11 users! Ever face the frustration of your system hanging or freezing? Well, worry not. In this quick guide, we'll dive into the why and how to fix it. Let's get your Windows 11 running smoothly again. Start off by searching for Control Panel in your trusty search bar. Yep, it's that easy. Open up the Control Panel, that central hub for all things settings and tweaks. Once you're in, look for the Hardware and Sound option. It's your gateway to the magic we're about to perform. Next up, click on Power Options. We're getting warmer. Now you'll see your power plans. Identify the one you're using and click on Change Plan Settings next to it. Dive a bit deeper by clicking on Change Advanced Power Settings. This is where the real magic happens. Look for PCI Express and give it a click. We're on the right track. Within PCI Express, find Link State Power Management and expand that too. Almost there. Now, expand Setting and select the golden word Off. Seal the deal by hitting Apply and then OK, that's it, you did it. Alright folks, let's tackle the next step to fix the issue. Ready? Here we go. Right-click on the Start button and open Task Manager. Find Windows Explorer in the list. Right-click on it. Click Restart. Done. Alright folks, let's tackle the next step to fix the issue. Ready? Here we go. Right-click on the Windows Start button, hit Settings, then click on Apps. Easy so far, right? Now, find Startup and turn off any unnecessary apps. Toggle those switches. Alright folks, let's tackle the next step to fix the issue. Ready? Here we go. Open up your File Explorer. You can do this by clicking on the folder icon in your taskbar. Once you're in File Explorer, find and expand this PC on the left-hand side. Now, right-click on Local Disk C. In the menu that pops up, click on Properties. In the Properties window, look for the Tools tab and click on it. Here's the magic button. Click on Check under the Error Checking section. A new window will appear. Simply click on Scan Drive to start the process. Thanks for watching. Hope the tutorial helped you, so subscribe and like please.